April. Hi, April. Hi, April. Hi there. Hi, April. Who's my good boy? Huh? Who's your good boy? Say hello. It's a baby. He's a good boy. Huh? Who's a good boy? Huh? Huh? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Maybe. Stay. Okay, I think she's gonna jump out. I'm gonna let her jump out anyway. Look at that. And she jumps out. I don't know how can you get it. Like, it's just plastic. She's eating her food. Oh, did you hear? She's so cute. I'll be back. There's Polly. Kind of blurry. Hold on. Trying to open it. Eat bird food. That's almost all we had. We'll have some more bird food. She's eating. Must have been hungry. She ate a beetle yesterday. She ate it. She ate a beetle. Hi, Polly. Who's a good boy? Hmm? Polly. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?